Hello, my name is Tim Laguardia. I work in the service department at New Tech Machinery, and today we are going to be going over some adjustments for the snap lock profile. Once you test to see how your panel snaps together, you could then determine whether it needs to be tighter or looser. And now we're going to go over those steps on how to do that. So on all the snap lock profiles, if you go to station 13R, it would be on your right side of the machine, station number 13, you will see a set screw that is associated with a shaft that's over here, and you'll be able to see that shaft shortly. But if you insert your 5/32 Allen wrench into the set screw hole and loosen, and then remove. Once you have this set screw loose, on certain profiles, you'll need to put a small pair of pliers on this shaft just like this, and by rotating it counterclockwise, you will tighten up the snap by taking the roller underneath there in and pinching the side of the panel shut. If you take it the other way and take the shaft counterclockwise, it will bring the shaft away from the side of the panel, therefore opening up and creating a looser snap. Once you've made your adjustment, tighten the set screw back up securely. Mark your panel where you made your adjustment. That way, when you're ready, you can run your panel out past your mark. That way, you're not looking at where you made your adjustment. Cut it off, and then we'll be running a fresh piece, and then you can test your desired snap. Once you've made your proper adjustments and the snap profile is now where you like it, at this point, you can do one of two things. If it needs to be tighter, you can go back in and make that adjustment, or vice versa. If it needs to be a looser snap, you can make that adjustment as well. Thank you for watching. Please check us out on our YouTube channel, or you can go to our website at newtechmachinery.com.